Hello everyone. So in this video tutorial, I have another fun question for you. So we have this equations. As you can see, they are given this. Okay. So let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, so then we have to find the values of x plus y here. So we are going to take the equation 1 plus with equation 2. Okay, so then let's say take 1 plus 2, then we will get x square root of y plus y square root of x, and then plus with x square root of x, and then plus y square root of y equal to 182 plus 183. And then we take x square root of y and put it closer to y square root of y, and then we got y square root of x plus x square root of x equal to 365. And then we can take square root of y in common, then we will get x plus y plus, and we take square root of x in common, we will get y plus x equals 365. And then next we are going to take x plus y in common, and then we will get square root of x plus square root of y, okay, equal to 365. And our goal is to find the values of x plus y, so that will be equal to 6. So our goal is to find x plus y, and then so we will get 365 over x. In order to find the value of square root of x plus square root of y, we have square root of x plus square root of y and raised to cube. That will be equal to square root of x raised to cube plus square root of y raised to cube, and then plus 3 square root of x square times with square root of y plus 3 square root of x times with square root of y raised to square. Then we will get x square root of x plus y square root of y plus 3x square root of y, and then plus 3y square root of x, and then we get x square root of x plus y square root of y, and then plus 3 in common, we will get x square root of y plus y square root of x. So we are going to take the values of x square root of x plus y square root of y, which is equal to 183. Okay, and then x square root of y plus y square root of x, which is 182. So substitute into this equation, we will get 183 plus 3 times with 182, and then it will be equal to 729. Okay, so square root of x plus square root of y raised to cube equal to 729. Okay, so then we will get square root of x plus square root of y equal to cube root of 729, which is equal to 9 cube, then equal to 9. Okay, so now we got the values of square root of x plus square root of 9 equal to 9. Substitute in this equation here. Okay, so then we will get x plus y, which is equal to 365 over square root of x plus square root of y. then equal to 600 and then we get 365 over 9. Okay, so now therefore we got the answer x plus y is equal to 365 over 9. Okay, I hope you can understand, and thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next video.